Ready to dominate Last War, survival game and leave your enemies in the dust? I've got the genius tips and tricks that'll separate you from the noobs. First, master resource gathering. Don't just blindly chop trees or mine rocks. Look for resource nodes with higher yields. See how this glowing wood pile gives double the resources. Time is critical, so efficiency is key. Prioritize these. Next, base defense. A strong base is crucial, so upgrade your walls early. Focus on the first tier wall to save resources. Don't overspend on elaborate designs. A sturdy perimeter is more important than aesthetics when you're starting out. Also, prioritize building one layer of walls around your most important things, such as your storage and your bed. Now, weapons. Crafting and upgrading weapons is paramount. The higher the tier, the easier it becomes to defeat more enemies. Do not underestimate the value of upgrading your weapon. Upgrading gives more damage and saves valuable resources. Use the map. Don't just wander aimlessly. Learn common ambush locations and plan your routes. Knowledge is power, and knowing where enemies lurk is half the battle. Avoid these areas if you cannot defeat the enemies, for example by running around them. This is not a single-player game, so the final tip is, team up with friends. Last War, survival game is way more fun and easier when you're working together. Share resources, coordinate defenses, and conquer the wasteland as a team. Now get out there and dominate. Remember to subscribe for more Last War survival game tips and tricks. Good luck out there, survivors.